Parul, I heard you just started your online counseling portal. That's amazing.
Thank you, Preeti. This has been in the works for a while, and I'm so happy it's finally happening.
That's awesome. How did you manage to fund it?
I invested in balanced advantage funds a few years ago.
Balanced advantage funds. Can you tell me more?
They're mutual funds that adjust their investments between equity and debt based on market conditions. This approach adjusts risk exposure based on market conditions and may align with medium to long-term investment objectives.
That's really smart. I should consider investing for my dream business too. On top of investment की हर जानकारी, progressive and focused है ये extraordinary. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.